Right, let's have a quick look at um, crypto, Bitcoin in particular. Been a lot of hype on this. Let's start with the daily. Look at what's going on with the daily because it's at an interesting, or it's coming up to an interesting level, at interesting levels. So we've extended the past 42 previous high. We've swung up again. We've got divergence on the daily. So how much higher is this going to go? Well, it almost touched 50. It did. It got up to about 49,600. So, nearly there. Maybe see one more push up to about 50, maybe just above 50 to 52, and then a decent correction, another decent drop down like this. Bit of profit taking. It's certainly sizing up for it, and looks pretty decent for it. Have a look at it on the 4 hour. All I've done on a 4 hour is I've taken that last swing low and looked at the lowest point. So the lowest point was at 28,800. So the last sell off that we had just dipped below 30,000, and then we've been going up ever since. And just to focus on that range, I'll adjust it. Say we make a new high, I'll adjust the 0%. I'll adjust the high on this, bring it up to here if I need to. Just click on that and extend it. So, but at the moment, that's the current high. So that's where we'll leave our fibs, and we're just focusing on any corrections to the downside. So we've had one already, and we'll explore this range that we're currently in. So it's still bullish and still in an uptrend, a good channel. But yeah, if it tops out and retests the high and then drops, we'd be looking for a 38.2 retracement wherever that ends up being. And currently that's sitting at around just shy of $42,000. So at least as a first pullback. Again, just to show you what's going on currently though on the 1 hour, very quickly, really nice price action, bullish momentum. It's in a channel uptrend, and looking for at least one more move to retest that 50 area. 50,000 makes sense. Now, if it gets up there, it might be a good selling opportunity. Right now, it's potentially a good buying opportunity with stops to be considered just below the trend line, wherever the trend line is on your charts. Mine is probably looking at about 46.5 or so. So anywhere below sort of 46,000 stops. Now, if it breaks 46,000, then and curls over, then we're just looking for a big old deeper correction, big old drop. So one way of monitoring this current channel and this current price action is to put our fibs on this range and just focus on it on a hour by hour, 4 hour by 4 hour sort of basis, and just do your technical analysis based on that. So we may stall at around 48,800, 76.4. So that makes for a good potential first upside target. So just slowly grinding up before maybe it drops. So yeah, just keep an eye on it. It's obviously it's bullish, so you go with the trend. Trend's your friend, but note that we are starting to see some divergence and exhaustion, and it's very fib friendly, and it does respect things like divergence. And when prices overbought and oversold, do expect to see corrections, and those corrections can be quite big, quite deep, and quite fast, especially with Bitcoin. Anyway, I hope this simple bit of analysis helps you with your trading. If you need anything or have any questions, please ask, and you can telegram me directly at ALX_TYW. Thank you.